Hi. So for membrane following crossing course, it will block our membrane pores, and thus the permeate flux will decrease. The rate uh, of the permeate will decrease a lot, and then it will affect the production efficiency, and also the operation time will be increased. So it will make our whole process efficient and will contribute to the cost effectiveness of our process. And here is a few scanning electromicroscope image of a clean membrane and the observation containing different concentration. So for example, if we can see the membrane is a this one is a clean membrane. So we can look how the particle accumulate on the surface of the membrane. Here is another example. Here this one is a clean membrane, where this one is a particle that accumulate on the membrane surface, so it will block the membrane, thus make the efficiency will be decreased. So for membrane fouling prevention, we have uh, a few things that we can do to prevent the membrane fouling. So first what we need to do is we need to treatment of the feed solution. So if we're dealing with a large particle, so what we need to do is we remove first the larger particle, uh, and then uh, we use the solution uh, to do the next the further process. And then what we can do is a membrane modification. So we can utilize the membrane. So maybe we can introduce a certain type of morphology, or we can do a certain type of um, membrane type on our membrane. So it will increase the current properties of the membrane. We can do a physical cleaning, we can do a chemical cleaning, we can do a self cleaning process, and also the observation of automotive parameters that will we use in our workflow. So here is a few things that we can do to prevent the membrane fouling. So for example, here is a few things that we can do: periodic passing of feed, periodic passing filtrate or back washing, increasing shear by rotating membrane, and also vibrator shear enhanced process technology. So for example, you can refer this YouTube how the vibratory shear enhanced process technology. So for example, what we do is here is the particulate that is accumulated on the membrane surface. So what we do is we introduce the vibrating shear here. So and then this we will remove this particulate and the feed. Remove all of the particulate, so it will increase. It will prevent the membrane falling, and so we can use our membrane for a longer time. So here is advantage of using membrane. So membrane can be used to separate component with a wide range of size. So it's depend on our requirement. So what membrane that we need to use, either this micro size, ultra size, nano size. So it's depend on our requirement. Um, and low energy require since the process generally not involve a phase change for separation to occur, except probable vaporization. Um, Relatively, it is a low energy that requires. That's why we do, even in our house, in our home, that we are using water treatment machine to treat our water. For example, our we have a lot of brands, just such as Coco, Kobe, we have Philip, we have a lot of water related brand, water filtration related brand to treat our drinking water especially. And then it can be tailored with the special process requirement, and also it able to recover valuable component from our mainstream with a sufficient energy cost, and potentially better for environment since the member approach require the use of relatively simple and non-harmful material. That is the advantage of membrane. However, this membrane also, we do have a disadvantage of the membrane such as a fouling. So if we have a fouling issue, uh, sometimes this fouling is very difficult to remove, and it will be reduce the membrane performance. And if we need to carefully tackle this issue, uh, otherwise we will keep using or we keep our cost will keep increase because we frequently change the membrane because the performance is degrade is decreased. So we do have the membrane have a short lifetime, and also we have a concentration polarization problem, and also generally low selectivity. So here is a few example of disadvantage of membrane. So, and as we know, even we have advantage and disadvantage, still membrane separation is widely used in industrial application. So because it is a good and green technology, a good technique, a green technology, so we can use it. We still can use it. Um, so for example, if you look at electrodialysis, where if if we go to a dialysis center, it treat the center treat patient that have a renal problem. So the machine where it will filter the blood, and it will separate the harmful thing that have in our blood, and so it also the technology also involved with a membrane technology process. So we do have a microfiltration process, microfiltration technology, we also have ultrafiltration technology, also reverse osmosis technology. Each of these have their own respective uh, industry application for it. For example, for me, I did my master study is related to ultrafiltration, where I obtain the surfactant from fermentation broth, but this fermentation is a very process with available things that we can use for a lot of things. So membrane special is one of the need that we can consider uh, to use in special technology. So we also have so besides membrane also separation technology also process also have been used in gas separation, water and wastewater treatment, and also dialysis. So this all of application that have been used nowadays in our industry. So all of these are using a membrane technology. And also here is the video related to membrane technology. So you can refer to this YouTube video to see what else, what industry that use a membrane technology to in the industry. So that's all for my lecture. So if you have any question, if you have any problem with this topic, you feel free to communicate with me. Thank you.